Hey guys, this is Robert, the Kiltedgardener. I just wanted to bring you guys along for a little fun. I'm about to do a video, just a quick time lapse of me clearing the driveway after our big snow. We got about 9 inches here in Charlottesville, and I'm just trying to keep things from refreezing hopefully tonight. It's supposed to get cold again. So without further ado, I will pan into cleaning off the driveway. Talk to y'all soon. Talk to you later. Hey guys, this is Robert again, the Kiltedgardener. I just want to take 1 second and show you a quick tip that I found. If you can't find ice melt, it's just a smaller pelletized salt, and it has a little bit more chemicals to it. But if you need it, just grab some pelletized salt for water softening. It does the same thing. I found when I lived down at the beach, you know, people scarf up that ice melt and not think about this. It does the same thing, guys. Maybe bigger chunks. You just throw it out like you do everything else, and it'll help melt some of this stuff away. Just want to let you guys know that little tip. I'll put that time-lapse video in of me shoveling most of the driveway before it got dark. I just want to do this today because it was a little fun and it warmed up a little bit. Show you a little bit of my dilemmas here at the homestead. Alright guys, thanks for joining in. If you like what you see, be sure to comment, subscribe if you haven't, or give me a like and let me know what you guys are feeling. Alright, this is Kiltedgardener out. Talk to you guys later. Bye.